This year marks the 20th anniversary of the establishment of the Sanjiangyuan National Nature Reserve, later designated as Sanjiangyuan National Park. At an average altitude of more than 4,700 meters, Sanjiangyuan National Park is the world's highest national park, covering a total area of 190,700 square kilometers. The Sanjiangyuan area, known as China's Water Tower, contains the headwaters of the Yangtze, Yellow, and Lancang rivers. After decades of painstaking exploration and practice, Sanjiangyuan embodies the historic reform and achievements of China's ecological civilization system.
人与自然和谐共生是国家公园的一大亮点，在保护地球的生物和文化多样性、缓解气候变化危机中发挥重要的作用。
Building up a national park means implementing the strictest protection for Sanjiangyuan's ecology. Qinghai Province has optimized the functions of protected areas within the Sanjiangyuan National Park, including nature reserves, wetlands, scenic spots, and natural heritage sites. Madoi County in Qinghai's Golok Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture, where the Yellow River source region is located, is a fine example of national park construction.
我们的家乡以前是没有三江源国家公园村里没有的，以前都是那个是沙漠。现在那个三江源国家公园村里完了以后，天文环境也好，风景非常好。我们这个马队的家乡是以前是看看现在非常的那个变化。
Last year, the Sanjiangyuan National Park invested nearly 320 million yuan in ecological protection and restoration projects.